How to allow users to register in WordPress. You can enable user registration in WordPress to allow users to add post or comment or perform other action on your website. In this video, we will show you how to allow user registration on your WordPress site. So first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp line admin. Write your username and password, and then log in. Now go with the mouse over Settings and click on General. On this page you will see an option called Membership. Check the box and then go to the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes. Now anybody can register on your site. This is how you enable the registration on WordPress. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.